Is phone link acting up on your Windows computer? Maybe it won't connect, sync, or open correctly. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to reset phone link on Windows and restore it to a clean state without making the process complicated. So let's get started. Before resetting the app, close phone link completely. If it's still running in the background, right-click its icon in the system tray and choose to close it, or end the process from Task Manager. Now open Windows Settings, select Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features depending on your Windows version. Find Phone Link in the list of installed apps. Click the Advanced options for Phone Link. Before performing a full reset, try the Repair option. Windows will attempt to fix the app without removing your settings. Yeah, this can solve many common issues in just a few moments. If repairing doesn't solve the problem, scroll down and select Reset. This clears the app's data and restores phone link to its default state. You'll need to sign in and reconnect your phone afterward. After the reset finishes, launch phone link again, sign in with your Microsoft account, and reconnect your Android phone or iPhone by following the pairing instructions. Finally, check for updates in the Microsoft Store and install any available Windows updates. Running the latest versions helps prevent the same issues from returning. You know, keeping both Windows and phone link updated improves stability and compatibility, and that's how to reset phone link on Windows. Whether the app wasn't connecting, syncing, or working correctly, a repair or full reset usually resolves the issue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more Windows tutorials and practical technology guides, and I'll see you in the next video.